want to go to the park? Do you want to go hiking today? Yeah? Okay, we're going to go for a hike. We're going to show the people of YouTube how to properly take care of your baby Italian Greyhound. Although you're not so much a baby no more, I know. 1 year old. This is going to be Bambina goes on a hike. Bambi, look.
Look, Bambi, there's a Bambi. She's funny.
Put your onesie on. It's a bit chilly out here. Okay, one paw through. Other paw. Good girl. Yep. Good. Okay, back legs. You know what we gotta do. Good girl. Here you go, fix it up.
All done.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now we got the big leash for you. Okay. You ready to go out? Out here? You're okay. Oh, where do you think you're going? Come here.